going to do is we are going to use the magic wand tool. What we want to do first, though, is we want to draw, we're going to use this piece of coral down here, and we want to draw a marquee around it. So, which is the rectangular marquee tool. And we're going to click down here like that. And in actual fact, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that we can see this. I've got Scrubby Zoom turned on right now. I didn't before. Alright, so we're back to the marquee tool. And what we're going to do is we are going to select the magic wand tool, which is underneath the quick selection tool. It's right here. And even though we've got this part selected, what we actually want to do is deselect or unselect all of the white part in here. All right, please make sure that your tolerance on this is 32. And we're actually going to switch it to subtract. So subtract from selection. That's this one right there. Okay. So basically what we've got all of this selected. We're going to subtract the white part. Okay. There it is. Clicked and boom. It has subtracted it. Isn't that easy? I use the magic wand tool constantly. So now we're going to go Command 0 or Control 0 in order to zoom back out. We want to move this thing, so hit the V for the move tool, and we want to put this up at C. So we're going to move it on up here, and you can use the arrows to get it exactly into its correct space. Awesome. So we want to deselect this and then save your work.